How I made this timeline transition effect inside of After Effects. I started with this clip of a hyperlapse that's moving really consistently in one direction. I reversed it and sped it up so it's the speed and direction I wanted. Then pre-composed and 3D tracked the scene so I had a virtual camera based on the movement. Now when I place something down into the scene and make it 3D, it follows the same path as my footage. I took a screenshot of a timeline I created and placed it into a really wide composition, duplicated and placed it end to end. Now when I dropped this composition into my scene and set it to 3D, I can move it into the same position as the road. Set the timeline picture to have a blending mode of lighten, and then keyframe it slowly to fade in while the city fades away. Then add some motion blur, so now I've got this, and I can also move the camera around to finish its movement in this position. At the very end, I placed down a full screenshot of the same Premiere Pro timeline and lined it up in 3D. Now all of this is landscape, but I knew that I wanted the final sequence to be vertical, so I pre-comped everything, set up some grid lines, and then rotated and pushed in the whole scene to move in a way that I wanted. And that's